Lights of and noise pollution. So firstly, you will know what do you mean by noise and what do you mean by music. A sound that is loud to a level and that is unpleasant. So unpleasant sound is called noise and pleasant sound is called music. जो भी हमारी साउंड होती है जो कानों के लिए अच्छी होती है दैट इज कॉल्ड म्यूजिक एंड अनप्लेजेंट साउंड इज कॉल्ड नॉइज सो द साउंड दैट इज अनप्लेजेंट इट इज कॉल्ड noise and that is pleasant it is called music. Next is what are the reasons of noise pollution and how noise comes. So noise comes from the outdoor activities just like the social just like the industrial activities. जो नॉइज है वो कहाँ से आती है बाहर अगर कोई भी सोशल इवेंट हो रहा है कोई भी प्रोग्राम हो रहा है तो वहां पे जो लाउड स्पीकर्स की और डीजे की जो साउंड होती है दैट क्रिएट्स नॉइज and the sound comes from the industrial waste and sound comes from the commercial activities. And when we run bicycle, when we run bike or motorbike, so the noise comes from these activities. So these are the outdoor noise activities. So next is and how noise is produced. Noise produced from the cooler sound, from the speaker sound, from the geyser sound, from the mixer grinder sound, so from the washing machine sound. So these are the indoor noises, and these noises are produced in our home. So next is when we sit in a room, noise create disturbance. So noise create disturbance when we sit in our home. Apart from just being a noises, सिर्फ हमारे कानों में ही प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती और भी हेल्थ की प्रॉब्लम होती है that is due to the hearing problem. Hearing problem arises from the noise pollution. If we hear a loud sound, then the hearing problem may occur and eardrum may damage. So this is the hearing problem. So this is the hearing problem. And next is sleeping disorder. And this sleeping disorder may occur due to the lack of noise. So this is a sleeping disorder, and sleeping disorder occurs. So due to excessive noise, the sleeping disorder may occur, and health issue may also occur. So and third problem occurs. So if we hear a loud sound, then we may suffer from the heart problems. And so heart problem can be diagnosed instrument, and so health issue may occur due to the So next is how can we control these noises? And noise can be created in our home from the and these are the activities from which noise is created. And next is how can we control noise pollution? So first step is you have to control indoor noise sources. So you have to use mixie or juicer with the less sound. So you use a mixie or a juicer with the less sound. So you have to control the indoor noise resources. We use appliances in our homes with the less noise. And second is when we are not using any appliances, we have to off the switch of the appliances such that noise cannot be produced. जब भी कोई अप्लायंस यूज करेंगे उसके बाद उसको ऑफ कर देंगे ताकि उसका जो नॉइस पोल्यूशन ना क्रिएट हो. And next is you have to control indoor noise sources with the sound. So you have to close your room shown in the figure. So you have to when we see any TV or any when we sing when we sing any song in our home, so you have to limit the sound of that instrument. So these are the ways to control noise pollution. And for next step is use earplugs and earmuffs. So when we hear a sound, when we hear a music, then you use earplugs and earmuffs. So this is the way to control noise pollution. And how can we control noise near sensitive area? So you have to plant more and more trees. So you have to plant more and more trees near the hospitals or near the our school. You can plant the trees of neem and tamarind. So because these reduce the level of the sound because neem absorb the sound and so they control the intensity of the sound. So you have to plant trees just like the neem. So what are the activities to control noise pollution? First is you have to control indoor noise resources. And second is you have to control noise near sensitive area. And you have to control the social sources of noise. And you have to plant trees and earmuffs. So first step is control indoor noise resources. So you have to control indoor noise resources. So we use appliances of less sound in our home. And when there are some construction work is there, so you have to close your doors. And next is control noise sensitive area. Control noise near sensitive area. So sensitive areas are school and the sensitive areas are school and the hospitals. So you have to control near the hospitals and near the hospital and the school. You have to plant more and more trees because trees absorb the sound. And you have to control the social sources of sound just like the DJ. So you have to control such activities. And you have to use earplugs and earmuffs to control noise pollution. And next is what do you mean and what is the cause and impact of soil pollution? And what are the remedies to control soil pollution? First is, what do you mean by soil pollution? When in the soil, solid waste and rain, excess of fertilizer, insecticides and herbicides are added, and this is called soil pollution. So when the soil, solid waste, acid rain, fertilizer, insecticides and herbicides is added, so this is called soil pollution. So just as shown in the figure on the pics, 2 landfills are shown, and so these also create soil pollution. On the pic number 1, water comes from the industries, so these also create soil pollution. So if we use excess fertilizer and pesticides, so this is also creates soil pollution. And what are the causes of soil pollution? First is deforestation. If we cut the trees, then this will create soil pollution. So if we cut the trees, then the soil becomes then the soil becomes less fertile, and so this creates soil pollution. And next is, what are the causes of soil pollution? Second is acid rain. So when rain comes with the acid, so this will also a reason of soil pollution. And next is, what are the impacts of soil pollution? First is change in the climate pattern. So climate pattern is disturbed due to the soil. So you have to remember only the impact of soil pollution is change in the climate pattern. And next is effect on the human health. So human health is affected due to the soil pollution. So various diseases occurs in the human body due to the soil pollution, because all crops in the soil, if we use, if the soil is infertile, so the crop will not grow and it will affect human health. And next is environment is disturbed due to the soil pollution. Due to the soil pollution, environment is disturbed. And the wildlife is disturbed due to the soil pollution. So the animals living on that soil is also disturbed due to the soil pollution. And what are the remedies to control soil pollution? So you have to put the garbage in the different dustbin. So there are different dustbin are shown. For the paper, blue dustbin is used. For the recyclable waste, glass is used. Glass for the glass waste, green color dustbin is used. And then for the plastic waste, yellow color dustbin is used. And for the metal pieces, red dustbin is used. So you have to put garbage in the correct dustbin. And next is, you have to use the waste management. So you have to in proper way. So this is the remedies to control soil pollution. And next is, you have to grow more and more trees. So you have to grow more and more trees so that the soil pollution can be reduced. And next is, you have to use the natural pesticides instead of the chemical fertilizers. So this is also a remedy to control soil pollution. So again, I'm showing causes of soil pollution. Acid rain. What do you mean by acid rain? When the acid is mixed into the rain, and then this rain falls on the soil, so this will also create soil pollution. And next is, what are the effects of soil pollution? So climate pattern is disturbed due to the soil pollution. So due to the soil pollution, climate pattern is disturbed. जो हमारे climate का pattern है कि पहले climate ये आएगा, फिर बाद में ये climate आएगा, तो हमारा pattern जो है climate का वो सारा disturb हो जाता है due to soil pollution. And next is effect on the human health. So human health is also disturbed due to the soil pollution. And next is environmental. If environment is also destroyed due to the soil pollution. So there is an imbalance in the rain cycle. There is imbalance in the rainfall, and so this is the environmental impact due to the soil pollution. So this is the environmental effect due to the soil pollution. And next effect on the wildlife. So the animals living in soil, they get soil pollution. So the animals living in the animals living in the soil, they also get disturbed due to the soil pollution. And what are the remedies to control soil pollution? First is garbage disposal. So there are so many garbage, paper garbage, glass garbage, plastic garbage, metal garbage. So you have to put that garbage in the different dustbin. So this is the first remedy to control soil pollution. And next is you have to put the proper waste in the different waste and you have to decompose that waste. For example, the plastic waste, they can be recycled, and liquid waste, they can be retreated. So you have to proper waste management. Next is you have to plant more and more trees to, to reduce the soil pollution. So you have to plant more and more trees so that the soil pollution can be reduced. And you have to use the natural fertilizer instead of chemical fertilizer. जो हम खेतों में नेचुरल फर्टिलाइजर डालना चाहिए as compared to the chemical fertilizer. So these are the remedies to control soil pollution. So next again I'm showing the slides. So what do you mean by noise? The sound that is unpleasant to human ears. So the sound that is pleasant to human ear is called sound. It is called music. And the sound that is unpleasant to human ears, so that is called noise. And next, what are the how noise is produced? Noise is produced from the social events. Noise is produced from the industrial activities. Noise is produced from the transportation. And what are the outdoor? Then these are the sources of noise. And how noise is produced? Noise is produced from the mixing grinders. Noise is produced from the washing machine. Noise is produced from the oven. Noise is produced from the geyser. Noise is produced from the cooler. Noise is produced from the speaker. So these are indoor noise. So the appliances used in our home. So what are the effects of noise pollution? When we sit in our room, so the loud sound can create disturbance. So the loud sound can disturbance. Apart from the disturbance, so noise can also have serious consequences. So first is hearing problem. So hearing problem may occur due to the excessive noise. Due to the excessive noise, hearing problem can be occur. So our eardrum can be damaged due to the excessive noise. And the second is sleeping disorder. So our sleeping pattern is disturbed due to the excessive noise. Due to the excessive noise, our sleeping disorder may occur. And heart problem arises due to the excessive noise. If we hear a loud sound, then heart problem may occur. So what are the consequences of loud sound? Heart disease may occur, health issues may occur, and next is sleeping disorder may occur, and hearing problem may occur. And so these are the consequences of the consequences of the loud sound. And these are the activities that create sound. And how can we control noise? So you have to use the noise resources in our house with the less sound. So we use a mixie or juicer with the less sound. So we use a mixie or juicer with the less sound. And when we run any appliances in our home, if it is not in use, you have to switch off that appliances. You have to switch off that appliances when these are not in our use. And next is when they are in our house, some construction work is going on, then sound is produced. So you have to close your door. You have to close your door when some construction work is in our home. And when we are singing any song, so you have to use the less volume. So you have to use a less volume to hear a music. And next is you have to use earplugs and earmuffs. So you have to use earplugs and earmuffs. So you have to use earplugs and earmuffs to hear the sound. And how can we control? How can we control noise? So you have to control near the sensitive area, just like the school, just like the hospital. And how can we control? So we have to plant more and more trees near our house or near our hospital and near our school. So you have to plant more and more trees. And you have to plant more and more trees near our house and near our home and near our hospital. And you have to grow the tree of neem because neem absorb the sound. Because neem absorb the sound. So these are the control measures to control noise pollution. First is you have to control indoor noise resources. So you have to use the appliances with the less sound. And next is you have noise near the sensitive area. So you have to control the noise near the sensitive area. And next is you have to control the social sources and you have to limit the social activities, just like in the these are used in the social events. So you have to limit that sources. And you have to plant more and more trees. And you have to use earplugs and earmuffs. And what do you mean by air soil pollution? If we use solid waste, acid rain, excess of fertilizer, so when these are added into the soil, so this is called soil pollution. In the first peak, water comes from the industries, so this is also creates soil pollution. And when garbage are thrown in the open area, so this is called landfill. And thus in the second peak, soil pollution occurs due to the landfill. So this is the soil pollution. And what are the causes of soil pollution? First is deforestation. If we cut down the trees, so this will also create the soil pollution. So this is a slide of soil pollution and noise pollution. So again, I'm showing. So what do you mean by what do you mean by pollution? And what are the types of pollution? We have discussed this in the last lecture. So what are the types of pollution? First is air pollution. Second is water pollution. And third is soil pollution. And fourth is noise pollution. So what do you mean by pollution? When harmful substances are added, so this is called pollution. And what do you mean by pollutant? The substance which pollute the environment are called pollutant. And what do you mean by air pollution? And what are the effects of air pollution? When harmful gases are entered into the air, so this will create the air pollution. And what are the effects of air pollution? Due to the air pollution, cancer disease may occur, breathing problem may occur, our brain can be damaged, So this is called water pollution. And what are the effects of water pollution? So first is aquatic life is affected, and second is it makes water unfit for drinking, and third is drinking like the typhoid and jaundice. And what do you mean by soil pollution? As we already discussed. And what are the effects of soil pollution? So if soil is polluted, firstly, the plant growth is affected. So the plant growth is affected due to the soil pollution. And next is, what do you mean by noise pollution? So noise is unwanted sound. Unwanted sound is called noise pollution. So the unwanted sound is called noise, and due to the noise, the pollution may occur, and this is called noise pollution. And noise level is measured in a unit, and this unit is called decibel. So this unit is called decibel. And which unit is dangerous for human being? Greater than 80 decibel. Sound greater than 80 decibel, they are harmful for us. And what is the safest unit? 45 decibel. 45 decibel is the safest unit. And next is, what do you mean by waste? So when useless things are thrown, so this is called waste. And waste is of two types. First is biodegradable waste, and second is non-biodegradable waste. So the waste which can be decomposed is called biodegradable waste, and the waste which cannot be decomposed is called non-biodegradable waste. So which bin is used for the biodegradable waste? Green bin. Green bin is used for the biodegradable waste, and which bin is used for the non-biodegradable waste? Blue bin. Blue colored bin is used for the non-biodegradable waste. So you have to remember the definition of biodegradable waste, and you have to remember the definition of non-biodegradable waste, and which color bin is used for the biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. And next is, how can we control air pollution, and how can we control water pollution, and how can we control soil pollution, and how can we control noise pollution, which we have discussed in the last class. So you have to remember the points. How can we control different type of? So you have to remember, how can we control air pollution? We should grow more and more trees. So this is a common point. So you have to grow more and more trees to control air pollution. So you have to grow more and more trees for control water pollution, for controlling soil pollution, and you have to plant more and more trees to control noise pollution. And what is the another point? Vehicles should be checked properly. Vehicles should be checked properly to control air pollution. So vehicles should be checked properly to control air pollution. And burning of waste should be minimized. Burning of the waste should be minimized. So this is the way to control air pollution. And how can we control water pollution? We should reduce the use of plastic, and you have to throw the garbage, and we should not throw the garbage in the water bodies, and you have to use the natural fertilizer as compared to the chemical fertilizer. And you have to reduce the use of plastic, and you have to recycle the waste. So you have to recycle the plastic to reduce, to control water pollution. And what are the ways to control soil pollution? Factory waste should be processed and more trees should be planted to prevent soil pollution. So these are the ways to control soil pollution. And next is, what are the ways to control noise pollution? So machinery should be designed in such a way that it produces less sound. And we should use the speaker that should create the less disturbance. So you have to plant more and more trees to control noise pollution. And no-zone areas should be made near the sensitive area, just like the school, just like the hospitals. So these are the ways to control air pollution and water pollution and soil pollution and noise pollution. So you have to learn minimum 3 points to control air pollution, to control water pollution, and to control soil pollution and noise pollution. So if you have any query regarding this topic, you can ask. If you have any